Hey guys, I'm back again to show you my progress of building my own 3D printer farms management software. So right now I only have three printers. I think I demoed this from the last preview. I add some few more enhancement. So now on the slicer settings, uh, we can now put our user prof user profile for the Bamboo Studio. So once we enter all the path where we can find our custom profiles, it will start scanning it and discover what our machine profile and process. We don't need the filaments because the filament can still be used by the Bamboo Studio CLI. That's the one we use for slicing. It's a terminal command. So now here, if I put this path, it will scan it. Now I have two, since I only have two type of printers, one A1, I have two A1 and one X1 carbon. So here, although the X1 carbon is still showing an A1 because of the upward machine compatibility. In here, I can only use an X1. So same goes to the default process and for the lab A1 and the X1. And why do we need to set this up? Because the goal of this 3D printer farms software is to automate most of the tasks. So if we go to the file manager, let me delete this one, vacuum hose adapter. And if you could see here the description, we can drop 3MF files. This is a 3MF of the Bamboo Slicer project, not the output. It's a Bamboo Slicer project. And then it says we can drop multiple files or select. After upload completes, the system will automatically slices them for all available device models. So if you have multiple printers, you have an H2D, you have A1, you have P1P, P1S, X1. And you want your model to be available on all the printers. So when you walk in, you can just click the model and want to print it. But doing with that different models you have, it's cumbersome to go to the Bamboo slicer, select the printer right, and then export it or send it to the printer. Do it again on another model. Let's say I have five models, you're gonna keep doing five. This one will then do automatically for you. So as long as you add the printer you have, when you add the printer, it will automatically scan based on the serial number and it will know which model is that. So in my case, I only have two model, X1 and A1. So if I go to File Manager, I click the upload, let's say this step recover, you get a notification that upload is completed, then the slicing will start soon. So advantage of this is also can do multiple slicing. See here, there's a file slicing. We can slice three at a time. Since I only have two model, there's probably two concurrent slicing happening on the background. So here you can see it's already complete for the A1 and then it's done on the X1. So that's also already saved you time to slicing. And then on the background too, it will automatically upload on all the printers we have here. So it should upload on printer 1 to 3. And it here it's done on the printer 1 because X1 is always faster than the A1, even for the network transfer. So it's always my X1 always completed first, then my two A1. So it should be done soon. So we get a notification too. And right now, all my printers are already printing. You can see all the temperature is highlighted a little bit in red and kind of do some radiant color. So we can also do dark mode. We'll see it's almost done on the upload. I was looking on the background on my console log, so okay, almost done. Hey, printer 3 is done. So step recover is done on printer 3. And printer 2 should be done. The A1 is slower because it's already printing. So it's already printing too. The upload is also slow. So, but still, it's just running on the background. You don't need to worry about it. we'll just continue retrying. There's also retry in the backgrounds happening. Now the new enhancement too is there's now a camera view here, and we can maximize it. See here, that's the X1, it's printing right now. And then this is the A1, it's also printing right now. Takes a while to load. The A1, we only have like half a frame per second. It's a hardware limitation of A1. Or it can only send one frame every 2.5 seconds. So let's actually view this one too. So we can actually view all the camera. There's a toggle here to flip all your printer cores to show all your view, and then you can click it to maximize it. Like here, you can see you're getting a frame, one frame every 2 seconds to 3 seconds. Again, that's a limitation of the camera. Look at this one, same thing. But the X one, it's almost close to the real time. I think there's probably half seconds latency, but that's the frame rate we're getting is actually good enough for viewing. So let's go back in here. I also add the temperature. We can override temperature for when you just click it. Let's say I want to make it 250. Should take a while. I already sent a command. Okay, there you go, 250. I'll put back to 255 because I don't want to mess up my current print. What else? Preference. So I added the concurrent task settings, slicer settings. That's also file manager. Edit. Nothing changed in that. Yeah, that's the new enhancement. I'm still working on some other features. Yeah, let me know, guys. Like if you have a 3D printed farms, what things you're really looking for, because I only have web garden, so I really want to know what kind of workflow you guys using if you have a 3D printed forms. Okay, talk to you guys later.